motivates me to stay in shape, to be able to perform in my job and my life in the highest possible way. Usually when you start working out, you will do stretching, you will warm up. I will use the energy which is left to do either CrossFit or heavy weight lifting. And a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration will come after that workout. Yeah. Hi, my name is Gerard Villaret. I'm a chef de cuisine from Elements, inspired by Ciel Bleu, one Michelin Star located in the Okura Prestige Bangkok hotel. The inspiration behind Elements inspired by Ciel Bleu, it's mostly the seasons of Europe. Base of the cuisine is French, which is deeply influenced from Japan. To be able to tackle those situations at work, which will involve a lot of stress, a lot of physical activity, and I think you need to be able to be fit to go through those situations. I do work out 5 till 7 days sometimes. In the morning before work, my cardio, running, jogging, not too intense, just to activate myself, my mind, my body. And in the menu, you will start with your snacks, your starters, and you will go for the highlights of the main courses. So my favorite ingredient is chutoro. This is the middle fatty part of the tuna. And this is a product very special for me because my brother let me try for first time very long time ago. During the years, I get to try this product and they always remind me back on the days when my brother let me try for first time. So my meals are composed mainly by low in carbs, high on proteins, like almonds. I like fatty fish like salmon. I have chicken or beef. But during the day, I think your body, your mind, is needed to be hydrated. I drink from 2 till 3 liters of water per day. Depends on the workouts, it can be even more. So I think it's very important to stay hydrated. And since I'm a kid, I swim a lot. Your mind is very relaxed. It's a very routine exercise. When you are under the water, your mind is clear and you can think over many things. We are chefs, we involve a lot of stress situation. When you are healthy, you can coach, you can supervise, and you can support your team on the difficulties of the day. So I think it's very important to be mentally fit as well. I think having a healthy lifestyle is not only important for now, but also for the future. When the kids will come, the family will grow, you have to be able to be fit also for them.